Hey everybody. I'd like to take a quick minute to talk about crypto IRAs. I personally recommend iTrustCapital. When you sign up for an IRA with iTrustCapital, you get to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like anywhere else. They got a wide variety of crypto to pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, to Polkadot, and even Doge, and they're adding stuff all the time. The best benefit about an IRA is that you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And trust me, I don't like to pay taxes as it is. So I'm always looking for a break when I can find one. It's easy to set up. There's only a couple steps. There's no hidden fees. Everything's transparent. And you can even transfer your 401k or IRA that you have today. You sign up with the link in the description and you get 1 month free.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Happy Saturday. Might as well, start it right. Happy Saturday. Like the days you have to do your chores before you go out to play, Gary. Yeah. XRP settlement rumors could be good time to stock up. Craig, don't worry, I'm ready for all that stuff to go away. Come on. Yo, Beth. Hi, Peter. Just chilling, Andrew. Mono. Good evening, guys. Aldrin, happy Saturday to you as well. 4K, hi. Aldrin, okay, and Sesh. Good evening. Well, no, not evening. Afternoon for most of you guys. So, good afternoon. Just quickly browsing some rubbish. Well, not rubbish, but just the updates, right? Just the updates UFC. No, just watching Liverpool's, watching football. Liverpool versus just watching Liverpool, English football. Yeah, no, just browsing the news and you know what's going on over here between Ukraine and Russia. There's nothing concrete yet, right? There's headlines here, nothing concrete. So for now, we wait. Shake it off, guys. Right? So ceasefire. Ukraine fails. Okay, there you go. Right? So crypto, where's crypto, guys? Not good. We're below $40,000. You're from Liverpool. You are? How come you're not watching Liverpool? Then I was watching Liverpool. I needed Salah to perform, but I'm okay with Trent performing because he's on my fantasy team, Stefan. You watching the UFC? Okay. Later on tonight. Well, early morning here. Okay, early morning. So that's why those games start at 4 a.m. Or 5:30 a.m. Well, for me, and for you guys, it's yeah. What did you, Rocket? Hey yo. Hi, Jacob. Hey guys. Hi. Happy Saturday again to all. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. Okay. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. I just wanted to come on and look at crypto a bit. Not a whole lot going on, honestly. For now, we rely on our research, we rely on patience, and our belief in crypto, right? So, yeah. So we'll take a look at Bitcoin. We'll take a look at a few of these charts. Bitcoin is trying. We need Bitcoin to get back above what? Above $40,000, right? Um, in terms of like the bottom, are we at the bottom? Yes or no? Honestly, not sure. John, what's up? What's up? Hey yo, you guessed right. You guessed right. Uh, an Everton fan. Yeah, I have it on here. Just knows the score. Yeah. Anyways, again, Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to reclaim bigger. Okay. Reclaim that $40,000 level. The market is so headline driven for now. We talked about how in the past how it was exciting. It was exciting how what's up one, right? It was really exciting how all this Russian money was coming into the crypto market. But as much as that's exciting, it's scary. It's scary because when that hype dies down, what happens? Do we just sell off again, or do we keep pumping? Right? Stuff like that is scary, even though it's fun to see. So massive push to 45K failed. And then here we are again below $40,000, right? So where's the bottom? Not sure. Are we going back to $30,000? Well, I think it's gonna be this month itself is very important, right? Not we have Russia, of course. Hit the like, yeah, hit the like, right? We have we have Russia, of course, and we also have the Fed, right? Don't think the Fed is gonna be as big as of an issue. Well, since we have Ukraine now, all the negative news is getting priced in. yeah, we might see $35,000, right? So again, that's why dollar cost averaging has always been the way to go, right? Dollar cost average. You see a 20% dip, a 10% dip, you scale in, right? 20% dip, you scale in, right? So just stuff like that. Because we're not sure what's going on, right? What happens after this now? What happens after Ukraine? Does Russia go into this? Do they go in? We just don't know. So again, dollar cost averaging would be your best bet, right? So hey, yo, Ryan, smash the like. Yeah, hit the like, guys. Hit the like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. Share the link. So there you go, Bitcoin, right? So question for you guys in the chat. Just random question, random question. Yes or no? Do you guys think we've seen the bottom? Do you guys think we've seen the bottom, right? For Bitcoin here, have we seen the bottom in crypto in general? Yes or no? For me, again, that answer is potentially no, but you just never know. You just never know. You hit the who guy. You cannot time the market 4K. There you go, right? It's again dollar cost average. Um, I think Gary mentioned a few days ago, how we were looking for $38,000, right? We have support at $38,000 there. Yes, yes, we have 100%. Yeah, you think so, Ryan? Okay, there you go again. It's just you know, what is that saying again? Time in the market beats time in the market. Is that how it goes? Something like that. I hope not. You're long, Stefan. I know. I mean, like we're all long, right? The question is, when do we get that pump, right? So again, we have Ukraine, Russia. We have the Fed coming mid March, right? We have regulations. We know Biden and the Fed. They've talked about again this year. They want to make sure they can get some regulations in for crypto, right? So all of that stuff is there. Regulations are a good thing, but all of them are just obstacles, right? People again in crypto panic due to headlines. So when they see regulations, they panic. We get a dip, and then institutions come in and buy that dip because now it's regulated and they're confident, right? And we pump, right? So we might see some more dips, right? We might see some more dips. Yeah. Not even on the long run, short term, no. Exactly, mono, right? So, and then bounce and moon, please. Exactly, right? Again, regulations. People are gonna say, "Oh my goodness! Oh no, no, no! Crypto's getting regulated, right?" Panic, panic, panic. Well, again, that's gonna open up the door for a lot of these institutions, right? Because that's what they want. Some of them are waiting for regulations. So if we get any type of dip due to that, right? I bet you a lot of them are gonna rush in. So whales are still begging on up on exactly right, Gary. So, am I buying more mana? You want more mana? Question for you guys. Another question for you guys in the chat. Just some names. Speaking of mana, and Peter buying some mana. The market dips. What's one name you're looking to buy? Is it mana? More mana? Is it Bitcoin? Right. So the market dips. You're being really optimistic. I know. Right. So the market dips. Right. We get another 20% dip, 10% dip. What do you buy? What's the one name you're looking to buy? You're still scaling XRP, John. There you go. Right. So, yeah, if we get a nice dip, I would yeah, John, I think I would be joining you again. It's Luna, you're looking for Luna LCX. Okay, sounds good. Mana for you, Beth. Okay, sounds good. Um here you go. You can't buy anymore, or I'll be living off the crypto and shares. I know, right, Mono? It's sometimes you're like, you know what, guys. Yeah, no more dips for me, please. No more dips. Like, how much? How many dips? Litecoin for you, Gary. There you go. Yeah, it's like all the dips. We've been buying dips for the last few months now, right? Dips this, dips that, dips this. So again, they're long-term investments for most of us, like the 5-year plan investment type of thing. But again, we would, where's this money coming from? Some ETH for you, Stefan. Okay, there you go. You're dipped out, right? Some ETH as well for you, Audrin. Okay, there you go. Right, so uh, I needed to undip so I can sell and rebuy on the new dip, right, Mono? What side of the dips? No more dips, please. Well, we're gonna get dips, just because there's a lot of uncertainty, right? So, wanted to look at a few of these headlines here. Don't think I have them in the right order. What's that? Ooh, that's cool. Again, so we talked about how so these guys posted, so Ukraine posted on Twitter saying they are open to accepting crypto donations, right? The last stream they had received about 12 million in donations. They're sitting about 30, 48 million, guys, right? So Ukrainian government has raised over 48 million in Bitcoin and crypto donations. So wow, people are stepping up and donating, right? So Peter's donated all the kids' money. I recently staked for the first time a position of ADA and Crow, Jacob. All of my yeah, okay, no, that's good, right? That's good. I mean, again, if you're holding these positions for the long run, anyways, why not stake it, right? Why not get interest? Why not, something, right, Jacob? So that's absolutely okay, right? Um, I will buy more mana if Blaze doesn't go to another rave. Okay, no more raves for me. Trying to attempt to make stay in to no, don't stay. M Sense, go out and enjoy the Saturday. Don't stay in. Why try to attempt to make me what's pumping? Nothing's pumping. We just wanted to talk about crypto. Um Homeless living on the streets but really millions in investments. Yep, Peter. Yep. No more dips, guys. Otherwise, we're gonna be begging Peter, Andrew, for some food, or the sushi he's having in do you think there will be a day where we buy bread with Bitcoin? No, don't think so. Don't think we ever see anything like that. I don't think so. uh, right, Stefan? Yeah, good job. Right. So, is it? What do you guys think in the chat? So, yes or no? Do you guys think there's ever a day where people are gonna be using BTC? Silver bread for one BTC, right? Yes or no? Is there ever gonna be where people use Bitcoin to buy bread and just food in general? I don't think so. Your arms are pumping, washing the dishes, Serge. Okay, sounds good. You're working outside, just chilling. Okay. Um, that's coming in, but I think that's supposed to be the same for in need to continue needed money as aid to never got exactly, Peter. It's funny you say that. Not gonna get into any more detail because uh, yeah, maybe I shouldn't get into that. You pay 40 BTC for pizza, like that was you, useless goats. That was you giving away 10,000. Remember the guy that gave away 10,000 bitcoins to buy a piece of like a thing of pizza. Unbelievable, very sad. They were 10,000. But you just never know, so it's like gold. Okay, there you go, Gary. So yeah, Bitcoin will never be used to at least again. I mean, who's gonna do that? Like I see all these stores saying we now the gold pizza, right, John? Right? Say we now accept Bitcoin. No thanks. Not doing that. It's pumping, Audrey. Good job. Uh, It was real. It was real, Tej. It was posted on Twitter. Maybe I can find that. It's a funny tweet, right? I paid 10,000 bitcoins to buy pizza when it was something. It was yeah, like not unless the bread will rise in value like BTC, M cents. Yep. No thanks. I think Mona says, I think ETH has opportunity for things like with smart contracts and whatnot to help ensure. Um, exactly, yeah, exactly, Mona. Can you imagine in 4 years buy and hold? Exactly, right, Brian? Right, exactly. I want us to be part of the crew. People say, well, I bought this a year ago, right? Those pictures we look at, they're like, well, I bought avax. Right, think about it. These are just things that we've seen this year alone, right? I bought avax a year ago at $3. Now it's sitting at $300. I bought BNB at $10, $50. Now it's sitting at $500. Just stuff like that, right? How exciting would that be? So investments, long-term plays, right? For sure. With exactly right, Beth. Exactly. So, um, hopefully we can have some of these. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Hopefully we can get back to those days where we have our long-term investments and that's fine, right? Which we're gonna be holding. We want to get back if we can get back to those days where we can find like new Shibas and new Dogecoins and just exciting stuff, right? Same like the stock market, because we're not getting a whole lot, right? As regulations become a thing, this year, as we get closer to regulations, those names like the Shibas, just those type of moves, right? The 1,000% moves, 50, 12,000% moves. Those are gonna be just dwindling down, right? So yeah. Beth is bull on all the cryptos. Nana, Beth wants some to buy the dip on some mana. Some mana. Yeah. Anyways, so again, these guys are getting a lot of donations, right? Which is good for them, right? So which is good. What else do we have here? Ooh, speaking of Dogecoin, and speaking of Dogecoin, guys, again, Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus has announced the launch of my Doge wallet for iPhone users. Look at that, guys! My Doge wallet is now crazy G James. This is business. It is business. Mana Sheep, best return so far. There you go. Right. Again, so my Doge wallet. Anyone anyone have an iPhone? You wanna see if you can find that wallet on there, right? So if you have you can now download the launch my Doge wallet for iPhone users, guys. Yeah, that right. My Doge wallet. Um, so you can now transfer you. Hell yeah, there you go. Right. And this is the type of stuff we're asking for, right? That's it. Like that's it. We complain about Doge, right? We complain all the time about Doge, not because we don't like it, because we think the developers need to step up, right? First meme coin, and then nothing's been done, and Shiba has come around and done a whole bunch of things, right? So stuff like this, amazing, right? Good, good, good. It's not a big, it's cool, but we want to see more, right? Hard to find the one big winner, exactly, Gary. So let's pump it. No, Doge isn't gonna pump with this. Because again, it's following Bitcoin, right? So the entire market is moving together. So Doge isn't gonna all of a sudden pump because of this. This isn't like a huge deal. Time to buy Doge. Installed. Look at that, guys. Beth has installed it already. That's cool. I'm gonna post this in Discord as well, so we can have that in there. My Doge wallet. La 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 la. 1 second. Just looking for Discord. La la la. Mm. No, taking. Um, la la la. Covering. There you go. Alrighty. Is it going to be like Apple Pay? Not sure. Not sure what they're doing with it. Hi, William. Hey, yo. Right. Not sure what they're doing with this app. ADA is the future. Jacob, never, and never thought I'd see ADA below $1, but it is below $1, and it's you installed it too. Wow. We'll move it up. In the App Store. The more we do, yeah, there you go, Mona. Right. So can't wait to create an account so you can yeah, right. It's cool. And like Beth, that's all we're asking for. Like Doge, do something, right? Do something. Not just Elon, right? So are they rolling? I think they rolled it out, John, for a few customers, right? So not sure if it's been completely rolled out yet. Rolling out, yeah. I think it's still in beta testing, right? So they rolled it out for a few customers, Robinhood customers, like the Robinhood wallets. Don't think it's out for everyone yet. There you go. It's on sale. ADA Ryan says ADA sucks. ADA is a good project, right? It's just like I don't know why it's lagging in terms of performance here. It's become like a stable coin that's dipping. Right? But again, we know ADA is a good project. It's hitting the like. The algorithm needs it. Yeah, it does. Right. So there you go, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. Hit the like, guys. Hit that subscribe. Share the link. All the fun stuff. And yeah, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Right. Because right, he's just annoyed with it. Yo, Crystal. Yo, Circle Gang. Yeah, right again. So just in, Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus has announced the launch of my Doge wallet for iPhone users. So if you have an iPhone, you can now have a Doge wallet, guys. So you can store your Dogecoin in a wallet, right? How cool is that? So yeah, my Doge wallet. I think that's really cool. I'm excited creating an account now. There you go, right? So oh wow, that's actually really cool. I never actually looked at that wallet. It looks really cool actually. That looks really cool. I like the whole design type of thing there. So create a wallet, restore you from seed phrase. Okay, cool. That's cool. So for some people that just don't trust exchanges and leaving their money not in a wallet, that's really cool, right? So needs utility, but it will come. Yeah, there you go, right, Gary? So address soon. You're doubling Doge Mono, right? Dogecoin wallets. Finally, stop laughing. Crypto rockets here, unbelievable. Highly useless. That was yeah, unbelievable crypto. There you go. So that's really cool. I think that's cool. What else do we have on here? So let's see here. What's this? So top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world by Twitter followers. Okay, that's cool. So BNB, Bitcoin, Dogecoin is number 3, guys. So again, these guys are tracking. They're tracking all this by Twitter followers, right? They're saying, okay, well, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies. You already have one, Mono. Wow, that was easy. Yeah, right. It's going to it's cool, easy to create the account. Yeah, really cool, right? So, top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world, guys, by Twitter followers. So we have BNB, 7.8 million followers. Wow, Bitcoin. Wow, BNB has more followers than. Interesting. I can see why this thing has a lot of hype. We can find friends in it too. Wow, Beth. That's really cool, actually. That's really, really cool. So again, Bitcoin number 2, Dogecoin number 3. Doge, guys. Speaking of is Trio. The Doge one is Mad Wallace. SafeMoon is number 9, guys. Again, so all of this has been tracked not by utility, right? Not by utility, but by Twitter followers. So again, you have Shiba. Again, these meme coins. Well, it pump coins are going to be on here, right? So again, Doge, Shiba number 4, XRP number 5, ETH number 6 here, number 7, Crow, Solana, uh, SafeMoon number 9, and then ADA number 10, right? So these are projects that we've kind of talked about, right? So these are things that show up every once in a while on here, anyways. So we can kind of relate as to why this stuff is on here. So oh no, Beth Mono ad that's funny. What levels to buy Dogecoin? I mean, again, Tesh, right? You can never really time the bottom. So dollar cost averaging is your bet is your best bet, right? So this level here around wherever we're sitting at now, not too bad, right? Not too bad at all for Dogecoin, right? 8 cents. Um, so before Peter joined us, Noah and I were playing Call of Duty last night, and we talked about how we made fun of Nathan, right? But 8 cents might actually be the level, like the absolute bottom, because if it breaks below that level, that's an issue, right? People just say, okay, you know what? I'm out of here, right? I give up, right? We need Dogeverse friends, yeah, Mono, we do. Hey, D-Rock, how are you? How are you? How are you? So again, there you go. There you go. So you guys are just downloading the wallets. There you go. So again, if you have an iPhone, you can now download the My Doge wallet and store your Doge. Right, store your Doge. There you go. What else do we have on here? So speaking of, right, and this is why a lot of us are getting a little bit more confident in holding our crypto investments. Why? Because over the last year or so, we've seen how much, in terms of acceptance. Amazing, right? So Louisiana. This is for Blair, guys. Already on it, D-Rock? Okay, sounds good. Louisiana, right? Just in has proposed a bill to have Bitcoin accepted for a form of payment for taxes. We're seeing a lot of states actually do this, right? Louisiana is not the first one. The last one we talked about was Utah, right? They're like, nope, we're not accepting it as a legal form of, as a legal tender. But if you want to give us your Bitcoin for your taxes, that's cool. Give us your Bitcoin. Give it to us for taxes. Yeah, right, Peter. Right? It's what are you guys doing? You got the name from since yeah, right? Like nope. We not it's not a it's you can spend this at a restaurant, you can spend this at this place, but if you want to give it to us for tax purposes, we'll take it. We'll take your Bitcoin gladly, right? Unbelievable. How about you accept it as a legal form of payment everywhere, and then you say, okay, well, taxes. I wish I could buy in there. Yeah, Beth, right? That's the thing about wallets, right? It's just you can store, you can't really buy. Uh, you're paying your Bitcoin for taxes. Yeah, you're not exactly right, D Rock. You're not. Who's gonna do that? Um, Who's gonna do that? The last person that did something like that spent 10,000 bitcoins to buy pizza, and they regret it now. So no thanks. They will stop Bitcoin for taxes in the bull run. Yep. No thanks. We can get tax refunds in Bitcoin. Exactly, Peter. Can we get the same? Can we get is this I'm not gonna say the word. Reciprocal. There you go. Right? Can we get this? Can we get this money back in like returns, or is it just a one way thing? You guys just want to benefit, or so it has to go both ways here. I think this is. I think Blaze might like this actually. Investments, the future of taxes. Yeah, right. Well, we're seeing a lot of like places actually do that. So, uh, you for 1 second. La la. There you go. So again, that's Louisiana. They're trying to collect all of Bitcoin so they can keep it exactly, right? They know exactly what they're doing. Once your wallet address, ooh, IRS does. Audrey, that's something we don't think about. Maybe that's the goal there. Anyways, not sure. I think you guys, okay, no, you guys haven't seen that yet. Have you guys seen that? You guys have seen that? No, 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 no. I think I might have messed that up. I wanted to play a little fun game with that. So, again, speaking of the top 10 coins based on Twitter ranking, right? I think I might have ruined that actually. So let's play a game. No price that I can think of. But top three coins. Top three coins on. You know what? I'm gonna share the other screen here so I can take a look at that. It's not working. We're glitching. La la. So this is the coins. There you go, guys. So again, top three coins. Just a guess, right? Let's play guessing game here. Top three coins, right? Top three coins based on this ranking. This is a survey done for the US citizens, right? So again, top three coins. What do you guys think? Is it Bitcoin? Is it safemoon and Shiba? Top three coins, guys. Again, survey done by you guys know BKKT. Yeah, so BKKT did a research, a poll for US citizens, right, asking them top three projects. So there you go. Peter says Bitcoin, ETH, and Shiba. Okay. um, Peter, no safemoon in there. Wow, I thought he'd go for safemoon. Bitcoin, what are we at here? 39. Okay, cool. Bitcoin, ETH, and Doge. Shiba, XRP, and SaveMoon. G-Rock? Yeah, okay. Interesting. Mm-mm-mm. Solana, you think so? BTC, ETH, and Solana? Okay, sounds good. Um, Peter Dido? No, Peter's wrong. Here you go. Anybody else? Want to take a guess? The top three projects? Anybody? Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. So Beth is right. Beth is Save Moon. The 14 times, no more. M says ETH, BTC, and XRP. Wow, it's interesting how you guys are like a lot of XRP talk here. Interesting. No, the project is it's this, right? It's ETH, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin, right? So again, are the three favorite coins of U.S. citizens according to a survey by BKKT, guys, right? So that's the stonk that we played with a bit in the market. You would like XRP? Yeah. You win? Yeah. So here you go, guys. Bitcoin, ETH, and Dogecoin, right? So it's amazing how Doge shows up on that list. Maybe it's a telling sign, right? What's your price? You get a high five. There you go. So there you go. Yeah. But I think what's really telling with that is that tells me that a lot of eyes on Dogecoin, right? When this thing is ready to go, when that thing actually gets a foothold in terms of momentum, what is Doge? What is Doge? You don't know what Dogecoin is, Nanya? Doge was the initial meme project, right? The Elon meme project. That was Elon's meme baby. High five. My forever endearing love, absolutely mono. You've had XRP since 2018. I've had XRP since I don't know, maybe around the same time. D Rock. It's been a while. It's been a while holding that thing. They need to perform. They need to get rid of this good old lawsuit. I bet you. I bet you. So all the talk we've had around Swift and the fact that Russia is maybe getting, Russian banks. Again, so Swift is don't want to get too much into it, right? So, but a lot of countries use Swift, right? And XRP is very similar to Swift, and Swift is around $12,000, right? So without that lawsuit from the SEC, and maybe that might be part of the reason why that lawsuit is dragging on so long, right? Because XRP is competition for the main Swift, right? So life is hard, typing is hard. So again, right, when that thing blows over, would love to see XRP pump. I bet you if XRP didn't have a lawsuit right now, XRP would be doing really well, right? Especially with Swift being, yeah. So we'll see. Again, long term plays. And when it comes to lawsuits, honestly, you just never know. You just never know, right? So again, investing something that I can afford to lose. I can afford to lose, right? It's been a long road. I remember when I went over to I was in Toronto. XRP is cheaper and much faster. There you go, Raymond. Right? So and I don't know, someone's at someone's house, and I was talking about stonks and whatever. This was a long time ago. And they're like, have you heard about XRP? You should probably buy XRP. And it was just a whole long story back a few years ago. And yeah, that thing was around like, I don't know, what was it, like 30 cents back then? And cheaper, right? So yeah, and then it's just been a, slow, steady road. Like it's been you just want that thing to go away, the lawsuit to go away so we can move on. But it is what it is. Isn't Ripple payment that's yeah. There you go. We're gonna go from a war on drugs to a war on crypto. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. Let's see here. What else do I want to take a look at here, guys? What else? Some interesting facts. I think it's always fun to look at these facts. Um, One second. Again, don't forget to hit the like if you haven't already. Uh, hit the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel and all the fun stuff. I'm just quickly browsing. Some other stuff I had to look at here. Massive altcoin repurchase. Okay, cool. Interesting. Says his military will not invasion of Ukraine. Okay, cool. Wow. So Belarus says they're not willing to. They're not going to be part of the invasion of Ukraine. Wow. Interesting. Thought those guys were with Russia. Because of Bitcoin. Okay, cool. Set the Shiba Inu as a payment. Okay. Louisiana. There you go. The removing all stocks listed on Russia exchange. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll just ignore the rest of the articles for now. Yeah. I think we've covered everything I wanted to look at. Actually, that was good. Just some simple facts, right? We can take a look at Bitcoin and see what the chart looks like now, and then go from there. And I'll come back to these comments. A bit late. You let them in, right, Gary? My guy, I don't know where that's all coming from now. So it is what it is. Vazar ends in settlement. Wait. Interesting. SEC lawsuit versus Ripple reportedly ends in settlement. Ripple CEO Brad gives a hint. So they're actually settling now, as we're seeing Bitcoin move here a little bit. Of my Shiba, waiting for the dip around 4018. You see all the skull entries. I will risk 20%. Yeah, I'm like around that 4018 20, right? That would be another level to look at as well here. Again, so is that actually so that's on Twitter, because I'm not seeing a huge XRPs are 5%, right? It's not a huge move. It's still moving with Bitcoin here, right? Like these moves are still intertwined here, liquid. So I'm not really seeing a huge move here to the upside, right? You would hope that there might be some, a little bit of hype here, but it's up 5%. It's one of the top gainers here on my list, right? 5%, so not bad. Just want to see a little bit more. So that's from Twitter. That's just from Twitter Liquid. Thank you very much. Is going to settle so they won't look bad. Uh, okay, sounds good. Interesting. I need to take a look at XRP Twitter. Yeah, yeah. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Let me see if I can find anything here. Uh, some rumors going around. Let me see here. Price chart. Okay, cool. Opinion on including education. I'm just quickly browsing through Twitter here, guys. Interesting. Credit investor is waiting for 10x agreeing. No. Scam mail. It's just a whole bunch of people. Like, it's always amazing to look at like all the social medias. Yeah. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing there. So cool. Yeah, that would be amazing, right? So the SEC doesn't want to look bad. Okay. I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm ready for some XRP pumps. I'm ready. Liquid, you ready? You posted in crypto news? Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'll take a look at that right now. Crypto news. Ends in settlement. Okay. Let's see here. So we've looked at most of these articles already, guys. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Again, Noir. Speaking of Dogecoin last night, there you go. You can now download the Dogecoin My Wallet. There you go. Right. So download the wallet. You can have your Dogecoin in there. So let me take a look at this article here, guys. Nope, I do not want alerts. Zoom in, please, and thank you. So SEC lawsuit versus Ripple reportedly ends in settlement. Ripple CEO Brad, gives a hint. Interesting. Hinting. Between the Securities Exchange Commission and popular blockchain company Ripple has reportedly been settled. Interesting. The lawsuit was more than a year. So you have come to an end. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So these are rumors for the most part, right? Heard the rumors settle. All staff on the SEC versus Ripple case have been reassigned. Wow, a week until the news is public. A week until the news is public. Okay, now hiring currencies. Okay, cool. In your hands now. Your Volkswagen is now a Lambo. Interesting. I just want to see something. Let's all together. Hot trades family. Let's go, Raymond. Thank you very much, Liquid. Thank you. The screen. We need over. Is it true? Honestly, I'm sent again. Until it's confirmed, nothing is true, right? Until you actually get a confirmation, right, and you can take a look at the details and see what again. So there's news and there's reaction, right? There's never really there's no reason to celebrate yet, right? There's no reason to celebrate yet, especially if we're not pumping, right? So if that news again. Cool. This is cool. Let's wait and see if it's confirmed, right? What is the reaction? Do we start pumping? If that's the case, then that's amazing, right? So we can see a Ripple $10 to $30. Yeah, D-Rock, absolutely. Ex-girlfriend is calling, right? The girlfriend that dumped you is calling. XRP, guys. What is this rubbish? Anything else? So these are just tweets from like actually like verified accounts, right? So someone Ben Armstrong says, I can 100% confirm that I am praying this is true. I've included my nightly prayers since since October 1st. There you go. So again, Ben Armstrong, not sure who that is, right? But again, they're saying you can just tweet, right? But it seems like again, even a guy like that isn't with verified accounts isn't confirming anything, right? They're saying they're praying that this is true, right? So I mean, this has to come to an end at some point. Has to, right? So, says it would lose some cases. Okay. The disclosure agency will lose some of its cases. Interview the exchange is gonna. Okay, cool. Who's this? I was meeting with Chairman Clayton. I met with SEC commissioners. No one ever once said XRP is a security. Okay, cool. Yeah. I mean, like honestly, to $10 and you're out. You're out. You're selling at $10. I'm not selling at $10. I don't think. Not selling at Ben Armstrong. That's who it is. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Anyways, let me see. I'm just looking for these tweets, guys. That's all I'm looking for here, right? There you go. So that's it. While previous settlements discussion months ago between SLP did not end well for both parties at the time, the new dialogue is expected to yield positive results given the several developments that have occurred throughout the case. Okay, cool, right? So they're expected to settle. I sure can buy it on my in my easy exchanges. I know, Beth. Watch the interview. Okay, I will. I will, Raymond. Which interview? This one here? Okay, maybe I will. With several pieces of evidence believed to indicate that XRP followed the careful approach. I mean, honestly, if you've been following this process closely, it's looked like a whole bunch of delaying tactics. Honestly, right? Yeah. Your one liquid, unbelievable. Half of my bag. Yeah, you're out. Okay, you're gonna sell half of it. Yeah. I mean, we haven't seen a move to the upside yet, right? So we haven't seen a move to the upside yet. So for now, again, this isn't confirmed. So we wait. We wait for confirmation, and then we pray for a pump, right? We pray for a pump. So that's really there you go. I'm gonna quickly copy that and post that. Nah. Thank you very much again, Liquid, for sharing that. There you go. Half your bag. I want, Beth, it's complicated. Like, it's a complicated process, but also, right? I don't, if you guys have been following this as well closely, we've seen some exchanges, right? We've been like looking at some of these transactions on social media and some of these tracking websites. You've seen companies like exchanges like big Binance start picking up positions, right, in XRP, right? Some of them are starting to list XRP now. Not that you can buy it, but the price, right? It's really weird what's going on. I don't know if they're planning to maybe they're getting some inside information and they're planning on listing XRP soon. Off to slave. Have a wonderful weekend as well, Peter. Have a wonderful weekend. There you go. See you later, Peter. Right. So again, Binance was the last one. We've seen some massive transactions, like just exchanges buying XRP. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Yeah. Crypto Minute. Like that on YouTube. Oh yeah, there you go. Incense. Yeah, those are cool. It's like that. Oh, they are, Beth. Okay, there you go. An XRP big move could change markets, and exactly, Gary, exactly, right? So that would be good for a lot of projects, right? Because again, we talked about how if the SEC won this case against the XRP, well, guess what's coming next, right? ETH is coming next, and who's next, right? So yeah. There you go. Right. So this would be good. Again, nothing's been confirmed yet. I want to see what's being said here. What is that?
Appropriate activity, inappropriate activity. Joining us now on the set, CEO of leading enterprise blockchain company Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. Yes, of course, Ripple, related to XRP. Brad would know a thing or two about this, along with Charlie Gasparino.
I know nothing. He knows everything.
I know nothing. What do you make of what Powell said? He kind of gave it to both sides.
What did he say, though? Did he say anything?
It's not entirely clear. By the way, I do want to start by just saying that I and the team at Ripple feel so strongly about standing with the people of Ukraine, and I just want to put that out there.
Sure.
But my comment as I listen to some of the things I hear out of Washington is just I fear that there's a lack of knowledge. There's a lack of information about how crypto really works. And I think it does a disservice to responsible actors like Ripple who are working with governments, with sanctions, everything that is enforced from a sanction point of view through fiat currency, anything that Ripple does is enforced in the exact same way. So there's no different level playing field. And I think in some ways, I heard Senator Warren saying things yesterday that felt like it's holding crypto to a different standard and expecting, for example, a blanket ban of all crypto in some of these countries in a way that, like, well, you can still use PayPal, you can still use these, some of these other things, and I don't think we should treat them differently.
Ripple is like Swift, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, Ripple's starting point, kind of our first use case for the technology, the blockchain technology, and the digital asset XRP was to solve that cross-border payments problem.
Right.
Swift is quite antiquated, kind of designed 50 years ago. It's slow, it's expensive, but it is a choke point that the government's used to enforce sanctions. My point is, nothing that Ripple is doing circumvents any of that.
So you're following the sanctions exactly. Like, for example, it's like, what, 8 banks, but a couple can still trade through it theoretically?
Correct. The sanctions are applied through what I'll call the choke points, the on-ramps and off-ramps. That's true for Swift. That's true for Ripple. Regardless of what I'll call just the plumbing of how things are moving, the choke points are the endpoints. So I think, when I step back and look at this, I think there is a lack of knowledge. I think people need to understand that crypto isn't this kind of black box. It's kind of back from when it was known as Silk Road. The industry has come a long way.
So an oligarch, or let's just say Vladimir Putin, couldn't finance tanks through Bitcoin.
Look, one of the things that people don't realize is there's just not enough liquidity.
Yeah.
Russia used to trade pre-sanctions $50 billion of cross-border kind of transactions per day. Crypto does not have anywhere near that. So, look, in the same way that somebody could be taking wheelbarrows of rubles or the Ukrainian currency across to Poland and things, like, there are ways you could do that, but it's really not significantly dissimilar.
Why are they so obsessed with it then? It's like so weird.
I think it's a kind of clickbait. It's a hot item. I think people, it adds a relevance and excitement around some of these things, but I think people don't understand.
Well, we had spoken to Gary Gensler of the Securities and Exchange Commission. I know you saw that interview because we were emailing afterward about it, but he specifically tried to say that he wants to very much focus on what's a security and what is an actual token, a cryptocurrency. I feel like if that's the case and he's holding you to that standard, at some point he's going to have to go after Ether as well, because Ether and Ethereum are those two very similar paths, just like XRP and Ripple, are they not?
Look, I think that's absolutely true. I don't want to comment on what they should or shouldn't do. I think as it relates to Ethereum, my view is it's very clear Ethereum's a currency. It's very clear XRP is a currency, and that the SEC. I mean, he was interviewed yesterday. Gary Gensler was, or maybe it was even this morning, and commented that, hey, we're going to lose some cases. This is the definition of regulation by enforcement.
He was going to lose. You think he was saying he's going to lose your case?
I don't know what he was saying. I think but he did say, hey, we're going to lose some, and we're okay with that. That's the definition.
Where are you on the case? Let's get an update.
The quick update, on Monday was the last day of expert testimony, expert depositions, et cetera. And so the case continues to move forward. We're expecting some decisions from the court, sooner rather than later as it relates to a couple of decisions before the court. But look, it's moved slowly. I think Gary Gensler has continued to kind of go with a narrative that crypto is the Wild West. It's not the Wild West. Are there bad actors? Yes, there's bad actors in all parts.
Bad actors in money laundering and U.S. dollars.
I found it fascinating from reading the documents for all the stuff they said about how bad it was that you did an unregistered securities. They never say anything bad about your platform. Why is that? I mean, because
of course, well, the irony there is, like, we were in the SEC's offices. I met with Chairman Clayton. I was meeting with commissioners. No one ever once said, hey, we think XRP is a security. And they look backwards and say, now we think it's all a security. That's a hard argument.
Please come back. Brad Garlinghouse.
Interesting, guys.
Ripple.
Interesting. There's one more thing here. Thank you, Liquid. What is this? It's said to be sponsored by the U.S. Navy. Interesting. So that was April that was 2020. Okay. Yeah. Again, so we've talked about this, right? Look, like the question's never been like, like they said at the very end there, the question's never been, oh, is it a good project, not a good project, right? It's just been that lawsuit lingering, over. So yeah. Chips compatible with Ripple. Okay, cool. Yeah, right. So that's really cool. Really, really cool. In hedge funds, here you go. Yeah, we'll see where this whole situation goes, guys. Again, XRP is not really right. It's not confirmed yet, and as we want to get excited, but it's not confirmed yet, right? By XRP or the SEC. So for now, we're still sitting below 80 cents here. Once this thing starts pumping above $1, and then yeah, I think if this thing pumps above $1 again, with that might be bye bye to the to the lower 90s, 80s, and 60s or whatever, right? So for now, we wait. Can you explain how crypto or the stock market is racist? Uh, Sounds like it's ED Rock. Yeah. Seems very upbeat about the outcome of the case. Maurice, it does, right? It really does, right? It really does. You always want to like, how sometimes you want to watch like you watch these interviews and the CEO, you can call them the CEO, right? You can, I just want to watch how they are about their, about their project, right? Just confident, upbeat, and whatnot, right? So yeah. Um, so he doesn't seem concerned at all. Doesn't seem concerned at all, right? So that's a very good sign. Again, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Hit the like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. So you're asking how crypto and the stock market is racist. So your professor said crypto and the stock market was racist. Your college professor. What was the reason? I just started college this year. One of my classes professor is teaching and saying the stock market and crypto is systematic racist. Uh, like what's the reason? What's the reason behind that? Like, what was his main point? 6% XRP. Come on, you can do this. If XRP, wait till the market is exactly right, Gary. Exactly. Becomes yeah. All the fine becomes yeah. So, so the I bet you. I was gonna mention that as well, but yeah. These guys always know exactly what they're doing, right? Wait for the dip, announce it. You know how you always say, okay, wow, it's amazing how like the market finds a bottom, and then all of a sudden the good news starts coming in. It's because these guys know they're not just announcing news at random times. They know exactly what they're doing. Red and green candles are just divisive, exactly. So, it's that teacher is an idiot, over 65 years old. Like, I'm just trying to understand why. I'd love to talk to that person, Mono. Um, no, I just, again, like, Jess, what's the reason? Like, what's the main point? Why they're saying crypto or the stock market is racist? Um, I mean, I'm here, you're here, everybody is here. We're all playing around with the stock and crypto market. So, what's the reason? I just want to understand. Maybe we're missing something. I doubt it, right? Um, so, how old is your professor, and what's the reason? Let us know, please, and thank you. Um, just bought into XRP. You did, Aldrin? Don't FOMO, please. Scale in, scale in, scale in. Dollar cost average, please, and thank you. Otherwise, yeah. I didn't see the pretext, and it was random throw because of the yeah. Oh, you removed it or the pretext? Yeah, honestly, it's okay, Mono. I still get to see all the comments. Um, Mono says I removed it because of how ridiculous that was. Yeah, I don't get that. Why is the stock market or crypto racist? Nanito Flo, hi. Thanks for absolutely. Thank you for being here. Oh, thank you for being here. So I'm just waiting for that response, guys. No, no, it is Audrey. Audrey's like, yeah, I'm scaling in. Audrey, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. And yeah. Was that the last interesting? Okay, that's the video. That's the video. Okay. Yep. That's the video. Mm. Against your position, you're right. Against our positions here. La la la. We'll have a clarify sooner than later. Yeah. Oh, the video. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Uh. La. I'm just quickly browsing through the news again here, guys. I'll post that video. Raymond, I know you posted in the news channel that I just posted in the Crypto General as well. Uh, la 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 la. Interesting. For some reason, I can't find you. Crypto news. Show me the money. La, 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 la. Here you go. Thoughts on Cosmos? Cosmos, please and thanks. Cosmos, I'll take a look. I will take March 19. You're joining. Oh yeah, Aldrin. Yeah. Aldrin is joining us on March the 19th. Yeah, we're ready for you. Aldrin is gonna join us. I've been wanting to buy more yourself, D-Rock, and missed the entrance point. Yeah, I know. A few weeks ago, XRP was what 56 cents, 59. Yeah. It's annoying that for most of you guys it's complicated. You can buy it on there's a site. Again, I don't have these issues because for me it's available on crypto.com or like any exchange. For you guys, it's available on what's that site again, Raymond? Something with an H. It's not Voyager. It's something with an H. Can't remember now. Suggest says hi and Oda or no. We're not given the same pay and opportunities through the years. They're unable to invest the same as the. So that's a whole different situation, though. You know what I mean? Like that has nothing to do with the market, right? Your professor saying, okay, well, crypto and the stock market racist, and then moving on to say, okay, well, people are not getting paid enough to invest in the market. That's a whole different situation there. That's a real issue, but it's not an issue for the stock market, right? Or the crypto market. Think it. Nah, you like Cosmos as well, Mono? Wow, there you go. Mono likes it. Tony, Mono likes it. So Mono puts a stamp of approval. Also, many have internet, and yeah, that's a whole different situation. Coinbase trades it, yeah, exactly. M cents. So uphold. There you go. Uphold. Yeah, no, it's uphold. It's uphold. Yeah, it's uphold. That's the site there that you can buy it on, right? You bought it. I'm sense you bought it on Uphold. Yeah, there you go. So, same for me. Single money issue and all. Yeah, all around. I'm sure exactly right, Beth. Exactly. Like it's a real issue. Like it's an issue. Uh, but that has nothing to do. Like the market doesn't say, "Oh my goodness." The color of your skin is different, so we're gonna crash your stonks, right? No, it doesn't do that. That's yeah. A bit more on Wednesday. It's gonna be listed. What is Cosmos on Bitmart on Wednesday? That's uh, yeah. I think that professor just doesn't stamp of approval, right? Trademark. Right, Mono Tony. It's been approved. It's Terra. Oh, it's Terra. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. You've if you like Cosmos, you know your fundamentals. Wow, look at that, guys. Arvin puts another stamp on approval. Tony, I don't even need to look at this. People are putting stamps of approval. Again, that doesn't mean buy. That means again, uh, do your research, and if you believe in it, dollar cost average, right? Slowly. That doesn't mean again. So the professor just doesn't understand, right? You can't say stuff like that. You can't say stuff like that because that doesn't make any sense at all, right? To some extent it does. All right, to say okay, this issue affects this issue and this and this and this. Sure, that's cool and all. But that doesn't make any sense to me. BTC, what do we add here? Bitcoin is we're trying. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying, guys. So keep it going. Keep it going. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Cosmos D-Rock, there you go. Another stamp of approval, Tony. Right? Cosmos is good. There you go. D-Rock says yes. So uh, believing what the professor was saying, and he even said that would be all in crypto if they had a KFC coin. No. Yeah, try harder. No, I mean, like, think about it. Think about it. Over the last year or so, think about like all the we've had a lot of people that watch from India, right? From India, from like the Middle East, from Africa, right? Think about all that stuff, right? How Shiba, for example, or how Doge has changed a lot of people's lives, right? That's amazing. That's really amazing, right? So to say crypto is this and this and this, I mean, people are turning their life savings of $100, right? To thousands of dollars. So Doge doesn't care. Shiba doesn't care, right? Yeah, you're holding and staking, Tony. There you go, right? So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna hold that stuff for a long time, anyways, might as well stake it. Do you guys like Uphold? I've never used Uphold. Never used it. I've never used it, so can't really give you an opinion. Yeah, you just got an alert for ATOM. Okay, an alert. You like Uphold? You can trade coins and send crypto. Okay, perfect. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, Uphold. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I think it's because the lawsuit is against it's from the SEC. That's like you guys is that's the market governing right body there. So and it's in the states, right? So all the other countries don't really care. Like Canada, yeah, you guys can do whatever SEC, right? But we can still buy our crypto, right? Crypto.com and whatnot. So it's easy. Do they have a car? I have no idea. Yeah. That I had no idea, honestly, Monam. I had no idea. I had no idea. So thank you for letting me know. You can send XLM straight to Uphold and convert it to XRP. There you go. So you can send XLM. No, it's XRP, and yes, they do. Yeah, right. It's amazing how for most of you guys how you have to convert. Like you have to in order to buy this you have to convert this and this and this and this. It's yeah. Huh. I just recently Gary says, just recently, Doge has been racist against gains. Yep, Gary, that's more likely the case, right? Racist against gains here. Unbelievable. Um, oh, interesting. Interesting. And now I'm just looking. Now I'm just looking at all SEC SEC headlines now. I just want to see what's going on there. Let me see here. uh, let's see. 1 second, guys. Now take a look at Shiba as well in a bit here. X, settled. There we go. Just quickly editing here. There you go. Wish you can send straight to Uphold from XRP. Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty easy then. It's triggering. Why is that triggering? Interesting here. No, but I really do like that interview though. I do think as well. If that's confirmed, like if that news gets confirmed, XRP would do really well, right? If it gets confirmed, right? That doesn't mean it can go buy all the XRP you could, it's the same case for everything else, right? Only buy what you can afford to lose, right? If that you can gamble, right? Let's say you have nothing and you're interested in XRP, you like it, right? And you want to buy, right? The best thing would be to buy a little bit now, right? Something you can afford to lose, right? And then when the news gets confirmed and now you're sitting in profits because it's moving up, you can decide to add more to your position, right? Try not to gamble too much, just in case these guys want to wait a month for regulations to come through, right? Or for the Ukraine Russia stuff to settle, right? And we're dipping, right? So again, just dollar cost average, no rush at all. My money in a bank. Why would you put your money in a bank? Yeah. I wish there was a better. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Looking forward to using it. The Coinbase card. Yeah. I don't have any of the cards. Like none of the cards. I might need to get like a crypto.com card or something. Let's go, Devin. No daycare today, Devin. We tried to pick you up from daycare, there you go. So, what else? What else here, guys? Yeah, so I'm just quickly reading over this stuff again, right? So most of it is speculation for now, but seems to be good news, right? So hopefully that's true, and we can get XRP pumping, right? So why Russia? What do you mean, Arabi? Not sure what you mean. Right? So that would be cool. What else was okay? No, that's the other articles here. Um, We've covered that already. We've covered this already. Most of the stuff we've covered already, right? Again, so Ukraine, 48 million in Bitcoin donations, right? Bitcoin and crypto donations, right? Dogecoin, you can now have a Dogecoin wallet, guys, right? So again, Billy Marcus has announced the launch of My Doge wallet for iPhone users, right? So now you can have your Doge in a wallet. So that's cool. And we talked about the top 10, right? We talked about Louisiana wanting your money for tax purposes, right? Payment for taxes, right? So talked about that. Talked about the top three coins voted by citizens of the United States, right? Bitcoin, ETH, and Dogecoin. And then the XRP stuff. So cool. Yeah, the instant deposits. Yeah. Same thing for crypto.com too, Andrew. Same thing. Same thing. You can use your card, or you can just do an e-transfer or something, right? And it's there. It's there waiting for you, saying, "Where are my monies? All my monies." Right? Tata Coin in one day. Right? Is that a new project? Is it a pump and dump, Audrin? Be careful. Like, what's the use case? What is it all about? That's the question. Instant deposits. For my, you ready? Yeah. Did okay? Just send me an email about deposit. Check, and I'm really okay. Cool. That's cool. Hey, sell it. Bet says, yeah, tata. Right. I'm not sure what that is. Shall I buy mana or sand? No. Casually, I like mana. I like mana again. So dollar scale in slowly, right? But I like mana. I mean, they're good projects, but I like mana. Mana has an element of the sexiness. And Andrew loves it as well. So does Beth. So does there you go. Sounds like time to take hints. Let me take a look at that project, guys. It's up 2,000%. Let's take a look here. So coin market cap here. It's called Tata. There it is. It's up. Yeah, look at that, guys. I'm gonna quickly zoom in here. Look at that. It's gains on gains. Wow. I mean, that thing just exploded, right? How long have these guys been around, though? That's the question. So I'm going to take a look at the entirety of the chart here. 2021. Oh wow. Okay. I mean, okay. We'll talk about it up at 2,000%. But look at where this thing was. Like, go back to. Let's go back here to what date is this here? So back 2021, so end of 2021, right? So that's when these guys first came around, December the 14th here, right? Around that time, they came around, they pushed all the way to $2.10, and then you made huge gains, and then they got rock pulled, right? $2 all the way down to, what are we sitting at now? All the way down here to gained a lot of zeros. Like, that thing gained a lot of zeros before pumping again, right? I mean, this thing was 0.00 0.0039 here, right? So a lot of zeros, and then eventually pumped again. So yeah, I don't know. What is Tata? Tata is a community-driven cryptocurrency on Binance Smart Chain. Tata Coin aims to make decentralized finance completely secure and to provide the most secure payment systems for multi-international companies and organizations, including investors around the world, allowing them to easily and securely transact digital transactions using blockchain technology and able to own their valuable assets. Okay, cool. I mean, what is the use for it? Thanks to a low transaction fee, there will be a growing number of use cases for Tata Coin. Will be? Okay, cool. Interesting. Project social network publishing. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, it's a year broker than broke. At least Biden has yeah. I'm not sure which one's in, but man, Crypto Surfer, hey yo. Vet says, yeah, sexy mana. Mana is fun. Man and Sand, yeah, right. So they're both good projects. You can scale it into both of them if you wanted to, right? Only 9 million in supply, low float. Craig, is that the supply? Is that the supply? I didn't even look at that. I mean, these guys are they're excited in the comments, right? They're like, let's pump hard, let's good project. Rocky says, no, it's 9 billion here. No, 9 million actually. Yeah, interesting. Max supply, total supply 9 million. Yeah, I bet you that's why it gets these massive pumps, right, Craig? So low floats. Yeah, like every exactly honesty diamond, right? So I'm reading this, I'm like, like what makes this so special, right? You always want to look for that, and I can't really find anything here. Sounds like every other project, right? We aim to low transaction fees and this and this and this, right? So isn't that what a lot of these other projects do? So I don't know what to tell you. Isn't that what Dogecoin is trying to do as well? So um, yeah. But again, it's where you can make your gains, right? You follow the hype, you make your gains. You just have to be aware that lock in those gains. Lock in those gains, please and thank you. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you there. Shiba. Shiba again is moving with everything else, right? CH. So nothing really happening for now. We know Shiba is working on a lot of cool things, from Shibverse, Shiba Lands, to other projects, right? So for now, again, the entire crypto space is sleeping, resting, right? Getting ready for interest rates and regulations, and we pump again, right? So summer pump time, crypto. Let's do it. Let's do it. You're gonna make a gem coin real soon. Gem coin? Yeah. Okay. Gem coin. Real gains. Gains and gains. Uh, uh, was your best because you use your brain and sold at 5 instead of holding like mono? You made huge gains. Nice. Because of yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh, you sold it at 5. Wow, look at you, Mr. Scalper. Unbelievable. Yeah. Even Gary. So the market's rubbish. Yeah, the markets are absolutely right. So I mean, it is what it is. Honestly, is anything we can do? No, not really. Right. All we can dollar cost average into these long term projects. Right. That's literally all we can do. Nothing else. Right. So what this? So mana again. Mana support here around 250. Right. So support at 250. Right. It's holding for now. We tested that level at all. Yeah, we did here, right? So again, we know we have support here for mana at 250, right? So mana came back and tested that level at 250 there, and it's holding it for now, right? So, but if Bitcoin decides to dip, that level's not gonna hold. So we held double bottom at 250 and then pushed. Had a nice little push, right? So my charts are just glitching there, all the way to 57 there, and then selling off again. So actually, interesting. And so that's and Dogecoin, guys. Again, so Dogecoin sold off all the way to what? Did we get to 10 cents this time? No, we did not. Okay, that's good, right? So yeah, Doge is just relaxing, guys. Waiting for when pump next. Shiba looks again same charts, guys. Mana looks just like Shiba. Uh, Shiba looks just like Bitcoin, just like XRP, just like this, right? All look the same here. So until the entire market stabilizes and we can run again, right? So there you go. Matic, the same story, right? All of them. Gala, same story. So for now, we right. We hope Bitcoin can get moving here soon. Soon, so we can get back to business, guys. This is not business. We want to be let me take a look at the daily chart for Bitcoin here, guys. Again, we we always want to talk about uh, all of these levels and speculate where we could potentially go to, but honestly, um, don't care, right? So we had that double top. We talked about how important that $45,000 level was for Bitcoin, right? Really important level. Have you talked about XRP yet? We have Amy. Let us know if you have any questions. If you have any specific questions, we just talked about how, right, there are rumors going around that the case is getting settled soon. I'm not sure what you're asking for again. If you have a specific question, Amy, please let us know. Right, we talked about this case here a bit. We watched the interview, right? That again, the Ripple guy had on on Fox Business, right? So he seems fairly confident about the project, so that's a good thing. So let us know if you have any specific questions. So we double topped, right, guys? Again, we double topped here at $45,000, which is a big level, right? Big level here. The hope now is, right, that we can hold. We can hold again. So you take a look here. The last two pumps here failed at 45. Then we sold off all the way to this support here at 37.5. I know we've been talking about that level, and we've talked about that level at $38,000, right? We take a look, right, at the last few times here around 45. Both of those times he sold off all the way here to $35,000, right? So 35. So we did this, right? We pushed right there to right here, right? Right there. Pushed again right there, right? To right here, right? Push again to right there, right? Are we about to dip again to that $35,000 level? It's possible, right? It's very possible that we do that. Do we want to see that though? No, we don't want to see that. We want to keep bumping it, right? So, I mean, if that's the case, and we dip to $35,000 again, all of these projects are gonna dip unless they have news, right? So unless XRP has some news, it's gonna dip with everything else, right? So it is what it is, right? It is what it is. There you go. There you go. Let me see here. Put some arrows right there. One second, guys. 1 second. So yeah, according to that chart, right, we potentially could see $35,000, but right. So at 35K. No. There we go. Just wanted to quickly post that and see where we go. Doesn't belong in the chats? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Thank you, Beth. La la la. La la la. Halfway through the movie? What did you do, Mono? Unbelievable. There you go. So yeah, guys, again, let me know if you have any questions. We just wanted to come on and hang out for a bit. We've covered a whole bunch of stuff, right? Just a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah. If you have any questions here, please let us know. If you're looking at a specific project and you want us to take a look at the chart, let us know again. So base case for now is lower, right? We talked about this base case for a bit now. So again, base case is low into March. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully we can turn around and pump here, right? But again, every time we've tested that $45,000 level and failed, right, we've been back to $35,000 again and back down, again and back down. So if that's the case, well, it is what it is, right? And we're gonna have one more dip and then pump it again back to 45. Once we clear this level of 45 again, this would be the key test, right? If Bitcoin can find a way to break above $45,000, right, for the first time in like 2 months and hold above that level, I think we might just be out of the woods, right? Push above 45K, hold above that level, right? Okay, cool. Then we're out of here. Right? So, really. No. Here you go. Arrested in Russia for some Games County. Really? WNBA player in Russia? Oh no. Are they gonna let her come back, Raymond? Scary. Yeah. Oh, Zins. There you go. So that's Bitcoin, guys. Let me take a look at the daily chart here for XRP. Make sure that's saved. Yeah, we'll save there. So XRP, where is it here? So 75 up 5%. It's one of the top gainers here, right? XRP is, which is interesting, right? Which is really interesting. As you can see, XRP has some resistance at 80 cents. So we're going to need to clear that level of 80 cents. And then, of course, the $1 level, guys. Big level at the dollar, right? So we're going to need to clear that dollar. And then there's another huge level, 130, right? So 130 is the next level of resistance here, right? So these are just the levels to watch on the way up here. We know it's bigger than this. It's not just about levels, not just about technicals, right? It's about like what's going on in the market, right? Sentiment. So yeah, just some levels to watch here. So 56, 50 is 50 a level there? Should be. Yeah, then we have 50 cents here as well, 55, 50. We had a double bottom there. So yeah, again, for now we wait, guys. We wait and see where we go from here. What's my favorite scalping strategy? My favorite scalping strategy when it comes to crypto, I don't have one. I don't scalp crypto. Whenever I buy crypto, it's forever hold until I get gains. Don't really right. But when it comes to stonks, I like to watch these smaller time frames and scalp off reliable levels of support, double bottoms, right? Just stuff like that, or moving averages. Momentum plus support equals fun. Yeah, right. Exactly. That's your scalping strategy. Momentum, right? Support. Let's go. Arrested. So it's a no. Wow, Diamond. Wow. Unbelievable. Let's go, Mono. Let's go, teamwork. High five. On what chart? The Bitcoin chart? Like BTC? Like you're looking at the 45 and the 35s? Okay, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, again, so let me know if you have any. Yeah, we can hang out for a little bit longer and then we can hop off. Yeah, Bitcoin? Yeah, right. So and like honestly, Mono, we try and complicate like we try and complicate charts quite a bit. You want to look at for like the moons and the stars and things like that. But it can be fairly simple, right? It's just sometimes you just have to look at it and say, okay, well, what does this look like at the from the simplest point of view, right? What does that look like, right? When I take a look at that Bitcoin chart, I'm like, well, I mean, we can go in circles. Like we can go in circles and say, okay, blah 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 blah, right? But that's fairly simple to me, right? Every time we fail at that level, fail to close above it, we're selling off, right? Every time, right? We can draw uptrends, we can draw like the moon phases, right, and stuff like that. But for me, again, until we break above 45 and actually close above that level, right? We're not going anywhere, right? We're just gonna keep going in circles, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? So, and that's gonna be the same story for everything else, right? So, yeah. Is a better stable coin than USDT right now. Store your money in XRP, unbelievable. But dips and chill. Yeah, there you go, Raymond. Right, so dollar cost average. Yeah. There you go. Unbelievable. Some people are very useless, Beth. Very useless. Jess, are you sure it was a teacher that was or here roasting a teacher? It might have been you. Very sad. Very sad. La, la, la. I could sit there all day and make crazy stuff. Exactly. And some of that stuff would look really cool, like really, really cool, right, Mono? But it's like, no, like it's fairly simple, like fairly simple, you know? So, no. To cause a ruckus. It sounded like a made up thing. Yeah, it did. So, I think, yeah. There you go. There you go. Sideways onto good or bad news. That's the exactly right. Honestly, Gary, right? Like that's just it. We go sideways until good or bad news comes out, right? Whether that's the Fed or that's Russia, Ukraine, or that's regulation. For now, crypto just goes sideways, right? So we might be waiting till like the summer, until like after March, to get a move, right? For now, patience. Dollar cost average. Scale in. If you believe in the project, scale in, right? Features now. 5 to 10 minutes at deciding the market trend and gains 100% RV. Okay, nice. Good job. Make money to lose in the markets Monday, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Chill and vax up. There you go, Raymond. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful weekend. Wonderful, wonderful weekend. All this XRP talk makes me want to buy, like, add a little bit more to my position. Unbelievable. This is why, like, I don't like signing in into, like, once in a while, like I will when I have money to add to my positions, but I don't like looking. Because either, like, I feel like I want to take some profit in something, or I want to add to something, and I just don't know. You know what I mean? It's America where they can convince to score 8 points a game. Unbelievable, Tagman. Good morning, Mark. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sideways, guys. So, is getting FOMO, Gary? I know, right? It's like, how can I get FOMO in something that, how can I get FOMO? Um, but that's good FOMO though. Like, if you're green on a position and you have FOMO, that's a good thing, right? Like, I'm not losing an XRP, right? I have profits in that thing. So, like, getting FOMO in a project that, dollar cost averaging up is a good thing, right, Gary? It's a good thing. So, watch, I'm gonna sell something. I'm gonna sign in and sell something, and I'm gonna sell like a little bit of Gala or something and add some XRP. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's getting FOMO. Again, guys, don't forget to hit the like if you haven't already. Hit the like, hit that subscribe, and if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. Come join us. And if you have any last questions, guys, let us know so we can, take a look, and then we can hop up and enjoy this Saturday, right? Again, just wanted to come on and take a look at a few of these things. Nothing huge, nothing huge. I think the biggest news we've looked at today is XRP, right? It's gonna blast up, Diamond. It's gonna blast up. Oh no! Look at this, Diamond. Why do you say that? You FOMO into Tatas. You did at 2,000% though, Aldrin. That's why I just traded XRP with that. No new is right. And there you go, M cents, right? No new money, just redistribute. Perfect, right? Um, people have made money selling bath water. Yeah, crypto rise to the moon, to the clouds. Uh, yeah. So again, this would be man. So that's cool. So this came out on March the 4th, though. Today's what? Today's the 6th. Today's the 5th. Okay, so this came out March the 4th. Interesting. Yeah. Interesting. I'm gonna buy every single. Devin, you're very useless. You know that. You know that. Um, it's causing FOMO. Causing FOMO, guys. Can you even buy XRP, Devin? You live in the. You can't even buy XRP. You don't even So now we'll see what comes out of this, guys. Again, this is not a XRP has not been a it's not a project that I'm saying, okay, well, this has to play out tomorrow, next week. No, I mean, I've been holding this thing for a while, and it's been so whatever happens. That's the that's the story there. So there you go. There you go. Let's see. Just quickly browsing the news here, guys. See if there's anything else I can take a look at here. Push over 45 million. How I think we go. La, la. YOLO Mono, right? YOLO. Oh, YOLO. La, la, la. yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Again, 2 more minutes or so, and then we can hop off and enjoy the Saturday. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask, right? So, and then for last piece of business, again, if you haven't downloaded your Doge wallet yet, right? Dogecoin wallet, guys. So if you haven't done that yet, go download your Doge wallet, guys, and right. So yeah, I think that's cool. The Doge wallet. La la la. Actually seems like a good project. Extremely pump and decent amount of volume. Okay, yeah. For you, when Ferrari, William, Ferrari, when XRP gets, I don't know what to tell you, William. Soon come, Ferrari soon come. There you go. There you go. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here for now. Again, have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you guys in Discord, of course. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you guys very much for hanging out on your Saturday afternoon. I still blame myself for Shiba failure. Why do you blame yourself, Andrew? Um, don't blame yourself, please. Right. Enjoy your again crypto. We've talked about the base case here. Nothing we can do for now. Just a whole lot of uncertainty in the market, right? Whole lot, So have a wonderful weekend. See you guys. Mono, thank you. Andrew, thank you. Beth, much love. Crypto Surfer, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much. Damon, you know what? Rubbish. Have a wonderful week. You bought at 4. Oh, that's your fault. Gary, thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend as well. Craig, thank you very much. Let's go, Craig. Have a wonderful weekend. Let's see here. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, guys. Already? Already? Mark, Raymond's gone already. There you go. Alrighty, guys. Bye all. Bye, guys.